Stunning views of the Intracoastal Waterway and Barefoot Marina abound from this 4th floor, 3-bedroom, 3-bath condominium located in the exclusive and sought-after North Tower at Barefoot Resort. This immaculate, mostly furnished villa features 2 master suites with balcony access, laminate and tile flooring throughout, granite countertops, and whirlpool tub. The fully appointed kitchen and sizable dining room open to a spacious living area with fireplace, floor-to-ceiling windows, and sliding doors, leading to a spectacular panoramic east-facing view. The full-length balcony offers plentiful outdoor space for entertaining or simply watching the boats go by. North Tower amenities include secured, gated parking and one of the largest pools along the Grand Strand. Barefoot Resort also offers a full-service marina with restaurant, clubhouses, and 4 championship golf courses. With a short drive or walk to the shops and restaurants at Barefoot Landing and only 5 minutes to the sunny beaches of the Atlantic Ocean, this unique listing has abundant offerings and is one you won't want to miss seeing. Call us today